This is the Xiaomi Mix Fold 2. The inner display of the Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 is an 8.03 inches foldable LTPO2 OLED. This display has support for 120Hz, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and is protected by a shot UTG glass. The Mix Fold also has a 6.56 inches AMOLED outer display, with support for a 120Hz, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and is protected by a Gorilla Glass Victus. The design is really cool and beautiful. The inner and outer displays are flat and have slim bezels. There is no punch hole on the screen for the selfie camera in the inner display, but the outer display has a punch hole for selfie camera. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 is one of the thinnest and light-weighted foldable phones of 2022. It weighs about 262 grams, and when it is unfolded its dimension measures 161.1 by 144.7 by 5.4 millimeters. The Mix Fold 2 is easy to carry anywhere because it is light and very portable. The Mix Fold 2 is not water and dust proof, and this is the major concern about its durability. However, there is no foldable phone that is currently dust proof, and only the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is waterproof. The chipset inside the Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip. This is a 5G chipset that has the Cortex-X2 Power Core, Cortex-A710 efficiency cores, and Adreno 730 GPU. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip in the Mix Fold 2 is the reason why the device has a very good performance. Playing games with Mix Fold 2 is smooth and there is no lag. So, if you're a gamer or you do graphics-intensive tasks, the Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 is capable of performing any task you throw its way. It has fast CPU cores, a powerful GPU, and is very efficient when it comes to heat management. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 features really good camera sensors and features. If you love taking photos and recording videos, you'll definitely like the cameras of the Mix Fold 2. It has a 50MP primary camera that has PDAF and OIS features, an 8MP telephoto lens that can do 2x optical zoom, a 13MP ultrawide lens, and a 20MP front-facing camera. The primary camera is the Sony IMX766 sensor, and it can record steady video in 8K and 4K resolutions, while the 20MP front camera can record videos in 1080p resolutions. Some interesting camera features of the Mix Fold 2 are dual LED flash, HDR, panorama, Leica lenses, OIS, and gyro eyes. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 comes with 12GB RAM that is paired with 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB of internal storage. There is no space for storage expansion via a microSD card slot. The Mix Fold 2 boots MIUI Fold 13 based on Android 12 out of the box. This phone will be getting 3 years of major software updates and 4 years of monthly security patches. You can also download apps and games from the Google Play Store. You can now multitask easily using the Mix Fold 2. There are a set of new gestures that can be used to control the device. Users can also open more than 2 windows or tabs at the same time. You can be watching movies, playing games, and using the calculator app all at the same time. Powering the Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 is a 4500 mAh battery with support for 67 watts wired fast charging. You can charge the battery from 0 to 100% in about 40 minutes. There is no wireless or reverse wireless charging available, but other charging features include Power Delivery 3.0 and Quick Charge 4+. A 67 watts fast charger, USB Type-C cord, and a protective leather case come in the Mix Fold 2 box. And a single charge can give you up to 8 hours of intensive use. For light users, you can get up to a full day of continuous use. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 is the best foldable phone in China in 2022. In fact, if you're looking for a portable, light-weighted, and easy-to-carry foldable phone, the Mix Fold 2 is your answer. If you have gotten value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Tech 5 for more.